Want to know how to create threads in Java 17? Well, no worries. In this video, let's learn how to create threads using just a simple block of code. So right here, I have this code with me. So in this code right here, what we are using is something known as the lambda code. So right here, we use our lambda to define what the thread will do. Period start with parenthesis actually runs the thread. If you use run function, it won't start a new thread. It'll just run on the main one. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. And this is how you create a thread in Java 17. Now you can just simply copy this code and modify it and add it to your program as well. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.